Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, the home of creativity, style, and smart DIY design. In this video, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and popular design trends of recent years, industrial-style decor using pipes and reclaimed wood. If you love the raw, urban look of old factories turned into cozy lofts, or the mix of rugged materials with modern comfort, you are in for a treat. Because today, we will explore how you can create that stunning industrial vibe in your own home, without spending much and using mostly recycled materials. Let's get started. Industrial design is all about contrast. It celebrates rough textures, visible materials, and imperfect beauty. Instead of hiding the structure, you showcase it. Think exposed pipes, weathered wood, metal accents, and neutral tones that bring character to any space. Now, what makes this style so appealing is how easy it is to recreate with just a few materials, mainly metal pipes and reclaimed wood. Pipes add strength, shape, and an industrial edge, while reclaimed wood adds warmth, personality, and texture. When you put them together, you get a perfect balance, sturdy yet stylish, rustic yet modern. Let's begin by understanding what reclaimed wood really is. Reclaimed wood simply means wood that has been used before, from old barns, pallets, or furniture. It's sustainable, affordable, and often full of beautiful imperfections like nail holes, knots, or color variations that tell a story. And the best part, you can often get it for free or very. Metal pipes, on the other hand, can be found at any hardware store or even salvaged from old fixtures. You can use black iron pipes, galvanized steel, or copper, depending on the look you want. They are strong, modular, and can be combined in endless ways. Now let's talk about project ideas you can create using these two simple materials. First, industrial shelving. This is one of the most common and impactful ways to bring industrial charm into your home. All you need are some wall-mounted pipes and a few wooden boards. You can design open shelves for books, plants, or kitchen items. The combination of dark pipes and rich wood instantly adds depth and sophistication to your walls. Second, pipe frame furniture. You can build side tables, desks, or coffee tables by combining pipe fittings with reclaimed wooden tops. The look is bold yet minimalistic. If you want to make it more refined, sand your wood lightly and seal it with a clear matte varnish. That way, you maintain the raw look while protecting the surface. Third, lighting fixtures. Industrial lighting is one of the coolest projects to experiment with. You can design pendant lights, floor lamps, or wall sconces using pipe parts and Edison bulbs. These bulbs give off a warm glow that complements the rustic tones of wood perfectly. It's a simple yet eye-catching way to bring vintage style into any room. Racks and hangers. Using pipes, you can create towel racks, coat hangers, or even open closet systems. Combine them with wooden shelves, and you have a functional and stylish storage solution that looks straight out of a design magazine. And fifth, home decor accents. Small details make a big difference. You can craft photo frames, candle holders, or small stands using scrap pipes and small wood offcuts. These little touches tie the whole theme together without overwhelming the space. Now, let's talk about finishing and styling. Industrial decor works best with a neutral color palette, shades of gray, black, brown, and beige. For your wood, go for warm stains like walnut or oak. For metal pipes, black or matte gray finishes look amazing. If you want to soften the look, mix in textiles like linen, cotton, or leather in your decor. Lighting also plays a key role. Industrial spaces often use warm, ambient lighting to highlight textures. So if you have a piece of furniture or a shelf you are proud of, place a warm spotlight nearby. It will instantly enhance its look. When it comes to assembling, start small. You do not need professional tools. A drill, a few screws, and some pipe fittings are often enough. And remember, the beauty of this style is that it does not have to be perfect. A few dents, scratches, or uneven tones only add more authenticity. Now, you might be wondering, why is this style so popular, And how can you use it creatively in different rooms? Here are a few ideas. Use reclaimed wood shelves with metal brackets, or a coffee table with pipe legs. Add a few industrial lamps, and you have an instantly cozy yet edgy vibe. In the kitchen, open shelving with wood and pipe brackets looks both practical and beautiful. Hang pots, cups, or plants from the pipe structures. It feels organized but artistic. In the bedroom, create a headboard using wide wooden planks mounted on pipes, or build a minimal clothing rack that doubles as decor. It's modern, useful, and totally DIY friendly. In the bathroom, you can make towel bars, floating shelves, or a vanity frame with the same materials. The moisture-resistant finish on pipes makes them durable in damp areas too. The great thing about this kind of decor is that it grows with you. You can start with one piece, maybe a small shelf or a lamp, and expand as you get more confident. Each project you create adds personality to your home and tells a story about your creativity. To sell your crafts, industrial-style furniture and decor are always in demand. They are trendy, timeless, and appeal to both modern and rustic aesthetics. Plus, since you are using reclaimed wood, your profit margins can be quite good. So, whether you are decorating your home or starting a small craft business, pipes and reclaimed wood are your best friends for affordable and stunning creations. Before we wrap up, here is a final thought. True design is not about perfection or money. It is about imagination and how you bring materials to life. Even a few simple planks and some pipes can become something extraordinary in your hands. If this video gave you new ideas or inspired you to start your next project, make sure to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We share easy, creative, and budget-friendly woodworking and decor ideas every 2 days. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, creativity does not need expensive materials. It just needs your time, passion, and a little spark of imagination. See you in the next video.